In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a pre-order on KDP, which stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. This tutorial is perfect for beginners who are navigating the world of self-publishing. We'll walk through each step together so that you can handle this process with confidence. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to your Amazon KDP account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Now, from here, your focus should be on navigating to what's known as the bookshelf. The bookshelf is essentially the hub, where all of your published and unpublished works are listed. It's your go-to place for managing your book entries, so take a moment to get familiar with this section if you haven't already. Next, within the bookshelf, you'll need to locate the book that's set for pre-order. If you've published multiple titles, it might require a bit of scrolling and scanning. But rest assured, finding the specific project you're targeting is crucial. It's usually easy to identify because pre-order books will have a tag or note indicating their pre-order status. Once you've zeroed in on your pre-order book, the next step is to proceed with the cancellation process. You'll notice an option right next to the book's title that says Cancel Pre-Order. Don't be hesitant to click on this, as it's the gateway to reversing the pre-order status. This step is significant, and while the interface is user-friendly, you want to make sure you're clicking the right option for the correct book to avoid any unintentional cancellations that could affect your other scheduled works. After you've selected Cancel Pre-Order, a confirmation window will appear. This is your last checkpoint, where the system will ask you to confirm your decision to cancel the pre-order. It's a safeguard to ensure that you're absolutely certain about this step. Read through the confirmation details thoroughly. This window outlines the implications of canceling, such as potential impacts on your readers if they've already paid for the pre-order. Click on Confirm Cancellation once you're ready. At this stage, it's important to be aware that once you've confirmed, the action is usually irreversible. The book will no longer be available for pre-order, and you might need to consider alternative plans for launching your book in the future. And that's it. You've successfully managed to cancel your KDP pre-order. As you continue to use Kindle Direct Publishing, remember that managing your book listings and understanding these functionalities are key to maintaining control over your literary work. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you feel more confident navigating your KDP dashboard. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to